Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. So today's video is about like if your computer is lagging or it's really slow, you are not able to work on your system properly. So that is because you are having so much load on your system, your data, that is unnecessary. We don't need it at all. So how to delete that, I will show you today. It's very easy. It will not affect any of your current data, any of your data that is really important, and it will not get deleted or affected. Okay, so you don't need anything to get recovered. So how it is done, I will show you now. Okay, so for that you need to go to your window button. So click on the bar, click, then you will go to the run. Okay, no need to run, you will go to the run. So after that, I'm telling you some words, you just need to tap over here, click that over here. So first it would be like temp. You can remember as temporary, the short form temp. Okay, like that. Do okay. Then you need to give the permission. So for that you can do continue. It's totally safe. It will nothing affect your current data. Okay, so you can totally trust the process. So need to wait. Okay, then all of your extra files will come, that is totally unnecessary and not required. Say so much of your MBs and data is consumed by these bin files that are not required at all. So all of this, if you will delete, it's totally safe. Okay, so just Ctrl+A, select all and delete it right away. Okay, so there are many other options also. So go to window, go to run again, and then you can do other words are like percentage, the symbol one. Okay, not the word, the percentage symbol, again write temp, then again percent. See, I already have, because I have been doing it like from so many years now. So yeah, that's why I'm sure about it, that your data will not get wasted or anything will not affect it. See, so many of the files came. Again the same process, Ctrl+A, and then delete it right away. Okay, then the third option is also there for you guys. So same, repeat the process, go to window, go to run, and then the third word is prefetch. So it's like prefetch. See, I have been using this one also, so you can use it, and the same thing will happen again. It will show you many of your files that are totally a waste and of no use for you. So you can then again delete the files, and so now your computer and system will run like a horse, literally. So there are a lot of things in our mind also. We are putting it like a garbage bin, making our brain a garbage bin, and there is so many unnecessary things going on in our life as well, but it's of no use. So just like that, please be careful with your system also. You are doing daily of your office works, your university projects, many of other works now going on, so you need really to give treat to your system. Okay, thank you so much guys. Hope this video was helpful. Do subscribe my channel. Bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.